Behind me are the contents of my oldest kid's flooded room. We got like over half a foot of rain just last night. That sound you hear is our sucker and 3 fans. We've been through worse. At least we know we'll get through it. This is not how I want to spend a day off. This time it got out into a living room from Ari's room and seeped under the wall there into our gunroom and office. We're drying. It's gonna happen. Spending a little quality time in my basement and going through crates and boxes and catching up laundry. And why is there so much stuff? Why does stuff get shoved into a box or crate and just carted downstairs where it's out of sight, out of mind, and then you were all forced to look at it one day? Why do we have so much stuff? For example, that. I don't need all those blankets. We all have blankets on our bed. We all have spare blankets in the camper. Why do I need that many blankets? And these kitchen towels. Kitchen towels I don't even use. And that one, kids' hoodies for years. There, it's empty bags. I'm keeping empty bags. I might have a problem. My laundry helper is bashful, but she's super helpful all the same. What's your shirt say?
I just want to hang with my dog.
I just want to hang with my dog.
Ooh,
I guess I'm her dog today.
No, Miss Papaya got this for me.
Miss Papaya, she's... I'm beat today. 3 giant bags of trash from that room. A big giant bag of trash from that room. A bag of Goodwill from that room. And a bag of Goodwill from my own closet. Still drying things out in that room. This day wins. I quit. I think it's time for waffles and bed.